The hugely talented people here at the Ministry of Defence Equipment and Support are crucial in equipping our armed forces to keep our nation safe. In a more dangerous world, this place is managing thousands of contracts and hundreds of projects, overwhelmingly being delivered on time and to budget. And they've been central to help getting UK to kit Ukraine, supporting them for the fight to kick Putin out. And we've learnt lessons from the battlefield in Ukraine, and now we're making changes to our own defence procurement to speed it up and better organise what we do. Our new procurement model will deliver equipment to our soldiers, our sailors and aviators quicker, with a greater focus on export potential, simultaneously bolstering our economic prosperity and our national security, all of which will mean we continue to defend our nation and help it